Welcome to this quick guide where you'll learn how to find the project ID in GitLab. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting with GitLab, knowing how to locate your project ID is essential for managing your projects, integrating with other tools, and automating your workflows. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your project overview homepage. This is your main hub in GitLab, where you can access all the details and settings of your project. If you're not already there, log into your GitLab account and head over to your dashboard. From the dashboard, you can easily select the project you're interested in by clicking on its name. Once you're on the project overview homepage, take a look at the top center of the page. You'll notice your project name prominently displayed. Directly below this name is where you'll find what you're looking for, the project ID. This is a small label that might not seem significant at first glance, but it holds a crucial piece of information. The project ID is a unique identifier assigned to your project, and it's essential for various operations within GitLab and when linking your project to external services. Let's zero in on that small label. You'll see it says project ID followed by a number. This number is your project ID. For example, it might read something like project ID 12,345,678. This sequence of numbers is unique to your project, ensuring that no other project in GitLab has the same identifier. Now, what if you need to use this project ID elsewhere, perhaps for an API call or to configure a service? GitLab makes it super easy to do that. Right next to the project ID number, you'll see a small copy icon. This icon is your friend when it comes to efficiency. By clicking on it, you'll instantly copy the project ID to your clipboard. This means you can easily paste it wherever you need it, saving you time and reducing the chance of errors that could occur if you were to type the number manually. It's worth mentioning that you should always double-check the project ID after you copy it, especially if you'll be using it in a critical application or service. Ensuring that you have the correct ID can prevent a range of issues, from accessing the wrong data to causing integration errors. And that's it. You've successfully found your project ID in GitLab and learned how to copy it for use elsewhere. This simple yet powerful piece of information can streamline your workflow and make managing your projects much smoother. Remember, every project has a unique ID, so whenever you're working with multiple projects, make sure to verify that you're using the correct one. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher on how to locate your project ID in GitLab. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out our other GitLab guides and tips to enhance your development experience. Happy coding!